Blueberries. Can you fit your whole fist in your mouth? Penguin. Wake up! It's the first of the month. I brush my teeth and get out. Hey, it's June 1st. It's June. Hey, yo, wind check. How windy is it? 2%. Not really windy at all. It's only when I blow. Check this out. Sour Flush, Candy Plunger, Sour Dip, and Warhead Soda. Does this look like a good combo to you? I'm going to try this. There we go. Check it out. Crybaby Tears candy. And I also got gummy liquid filled poppers, strawberry milk. Which one would you rather have? Look. Warhead Soda. Yummy. I stole your AirPods.
Guys, this guy has a pencil that doesn't break. You gotta check this out.
Check it out. A Kroger Plus Shoppers card. Hey, do you have any, food that umbrella? Hey, today's the last day of school. And it's summer for me. Can the Tigers win me a World Series? Snap back to reality. Hey, bro, guess what? Yellow rhymes with jello. All right, fine. I know that joke was not funny at all. You probably aren't laughing. You probably are laughing because of how stupid this joke is. It was a really stupid joke. You don't need to laugh. Check this out. Big K orange soda. Hey. Want to know why I'm laughing like that? Because I had deviled ham. Mm. Have you ever had ketchup flavored? Hey guys, I'm gonna try Spam. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, let's go. I make the play. We win. Hey. Sorry. I accidentally walked into your porch right here because I had to make this play, or else it'd be a walk-off home run. But we made it. Oh, shoot. That didn't count. I already caught it. Look, a sack of Taco Bell. Do we not need these anymore? Sorry, I'm from 2020. I decided to travel in the future. Do we still use these? Look, a sack of Taco Bell. Do you want to smell my shoe? Today I am gonna review a double chunk chocolate cookie. What did you notice first? The fact that I appeared on your iPhone or iPad screen, or the fact that I'm wearing 3 hats? What did you see first? Hi, neighbor. Look at this giant watermelon I have, and this juicy warhead pickle. Y'all, I just discovered something. If you hold a dog treat in front of a dog like this, what? I don't what? You want this? Y'all, I just figured something out, and this is an awesome discovery. If you hold a dog treat up to a dog like this, look, 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 look. Y'all, I just made an awesome discovery. If you hold a dog treat over a dog like this, they will look at it and want to eat it. Crazy. Hi, neighbor. Look at this giant watermelon I have, and this juicy warhead pickle. Y'all, I just made an awesome discovery. If you hold a dog treat over a dog like this, they will look at it and want to eat it. Crazy. Let's do a wind check. All right, so how windy is it? %. Check out what I have. Twix flavored chocolate milk. Yummy. Hey, I got a joke. How does a duck fart? Out of his ass quack. Hey, what's up, guys? Today it's baseball game day. Last game we lost 15-0. But you know we're gonna bounce back. We're 0-11, but doesn't matter because we'll still make the playoffs. An 8-pack of Yoo-Hoo.
What you got there, sour grapes? You got a grip of sour grapes. Ooh, them sour grapes. You brought them sour grapes. Sour grapes. You got them sour grapes. Oh, sour grapes.
It's raining. Raining hard because of how attractive and brilliant and cool you are. Hey guys, check it out. Sticky hand. Doing, doing, doing. Oh, that's why you always check back at your porch when you think you might have dropped something. Because I did. Hey guys, this is just me reading all your comments. Is this the right house? Here's some 4 burgers for order number 82. Is it for you? Oh, hey, neighbor. I'm very, very sorry for sleepwalking on your porch last night. I didn't mean it. Check it out, neighbor. Look, I have Dubai chocolate bar. It's $21 though, so not a very good price. Check it out. A bag of burgers. You want to see my dog? Look. He's shy. Oh! Well, hi, camera. I was about to put you in the blender. You're not supposed to be here. Oh! Hi, Mr. Frog. Wait. You're not supposed to be here. Hey, I brought you a basketball, my friend. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's like 2 a.m. right now, and tune in for tomorrow's video. Please subscribe. All right, bye. All right, now I can take a leak. Why are you still watching? Wait, what? Alright, now. What are you doing in my shoe? This is for eating my chocolate bar. Bye-bye. Alright, wait. What? You're in the trash? I must have accidentally thrown you out. What were you doing in here? Go back in there. Oh boy. It's a great day to be a giant. In other aspects, I'm not so giant. Well, look at this tiny fighter jet. Hey. Looks like you're the last chip. I'm in your pantry. Check it out. I found Pop-Tarts. Oh, $1? That's it? Oh, I don't need it. 5 hours work just for that. Oh! A Jimmy John sandwich. Hey, so look at what we got. We got a giant long pixie stick. Do you see how long this pixie stick is? Do the honors for me. Go ahead. Let me have some. It's me. Hey, must be real comfy in there, huh? Ooh, crumble cookies. I'm excited. Oh boy, I've been thirsty. Oh. Have you seen the new Squid Game? Season 3? Check it out, neighbor. I got Taki's Wendy's meal right here. Come on. That. I'm in your walls. Look, I found a sponge. la la la. Oh, Betty, what are you doing here? Oh, what's up? I was just about to go sleep. Ooh, an apple. An apple, yum. Just running with the stolen Wyze doorbell. Hopefully no one starts chasing me. Oh, I meant that in a playful way. Hey, sorry, I accidentally got the Wyze cam stuck on the ceiling fan. I'm trying to get it down, I promise.